Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant meets Union Ministers in Delhi. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant held a series of meetings in Delhi with Union Ministers and others and discussed various developmental works in the state. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant on 9th November held a meeting with Praveer Krishna, IAS in New Delhi. CM discussed implementation of various tribal welfare schemes in the state of Goa with a special focus on Pradhan Mantri Vandhan Yojana to promote tribal enterprises through value addition, branding, packaging and marketing. Later CM met Union Ministers of Culture and Tourism Prahlad Singh Patel and discussed various matters related to tourism promotion in the state, especially cultural tourism with support from the center. CM also invited Patel for the 60th Goa Liberation Day celebration. CM on the same day met Shandilya Giriraj Singh, Minister for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying in New Delhi. He discussed various initiatives to scale up the production in dairy and fisheries sector. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant met Union Ministers of Shipping Mansukh Mandavia. CM conveyed sentiments of people of Goa regarding coal handling. He has assured to look into the matter. Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant on 10th November met Union Minister Nitin Gadkari along with BJP Goa President Sadanand Shet Tanawade. He discussed about the progress of various national highway projects in Goa. He also conveyed the apprehensions of people regarding the highway expansion on Anmod Ghat. CM also sought his intervention for early completion of Sada Varanapuri highway works. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant also met Union Minister of Railways, Commerce and Industry, Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution, Piyush Goyal. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.